Okay, my friends, here I have an English project assignment, namely speaking IELTS. Okay, let's go. Okay, first I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aditya Iksan. You can call me Aditya. I live in Medan, a beautiful city in North Sumatra, Indonesia. I'm currently a student. I study mechanical engineering at Medan State University. I really enjoy learning how mechanics work and how to improve their performance. Why did me choose to study that subject? Well, since I was a kid, I always been curious about cars and engines. I love solving technical problems, and I think engineering gives me the opportunity to do that in a professional way. Talk about my free time. In my free time, I usually modify the motorbike. Uh, Sometimes I also like to hang out with my friend at a coffee shop. It helps me relax after studying for long hours. I prefer spending it with other people, especially my close friends. I'm quite a social person and I enjoy sharing stories or jokes with them, but sometimes I also need some quick time just to recharge. One activity that I really enjoy doing in my free time is working on motorcycle, especially cleaning, maintaining, and sometimes modifying them. I've been interested in motorcycle since I was in junior high school. My father used to repair his own motorbike at home, and I often watched him work. That's how I first become fascinated with the mechanical parts, how the engine works, how the transmission transfers power, and how small adjustments can make a big difference in performance. I've been doing this hobby for about 6 years now. At first, I only helped my father with basic things like washing the bike, checking the oil, or pumping the tires. But as I learned more, I started doing more advanced maintenance, charging spark plugs, cleaning carburetor, and replacing big pad. Nowadays, I even help some of my friends when they need to tune their scooter or fix their GPT system. It's not just a hobby anymore. It's something I truly love and understand deeply. I usually spend a few hours every weekend in my small garage. It's kind of my personal workshop, filled with tools, spare parts, and a few manuals. Sometimes I even record short video while walking on my motorcycle and upload them online to share tips with others. It feels really satisfying when I can solve a mechanical problem or make an engine run more smoothly. It's like solving a puzzle, but in real life. What I enjoy most about this hobby is that it combines creativity, logic, and patience. Every time I walk on a bike, I learn something new, maybe about fuel efficiency, engine timing, or safety system. It's not just about fixing machines, but also about improving them. For example, last year I modified my scooter GPT to make the operation smoother. It took a few trial and errors, but when I finally got it right, it feels like a hug, a accomplishment. Besides that, working on motorcycle helps me relieve stress. Whenever I feel tired from studying, I just go to the garage, put on some music, and start working. It clears my brain completely. It also gives me a sense of independence because I don't always have to rely on a mechanic. I can take care of my own physical and even help others. So, for me, walking on motorcycle isn't just a hobby. It's a passion that reflects who I am and what I want to do in the future. Why do you think many people are interested in cars or motorcycle? Well, I think people are interested in cars and motorcycles for a few reasons. Firstly, bicycles give us a sense of freedom and independence. You can go anywhere, anytime, without relying on public transportation. Secondly, for many people, especially men, vehicles are more than just machines. They're a symbol of pride and personality. The designs, the sound of the engine, even the color of the bike can represent who you are. I also believe there's a kind of emotional connection between people and their physical because maintaining and customizing them is a personal experience. Do you think young people today are as passionate about physical as before? That's an interesting question. I think the passion is still here, but it has evolved. In the past, young people were crazy about modifying their motorbikes for speed or style. Nowadays, many of them are more interested in technology and sustainability. Things like electric motorcycle, hypercars, and smart vehicles. So the answer has this paper. It has simply shifted from the mechanical side to the digital and environmental side, which I think is a positive thing. How important is it for people to understand basic vehicle maintenance? In my opinion, it's very important, even for people who aren't mechanics. Knowing basic maintenance, like checking oil levels, tire pressure, or brake pads, can prevent accidents and reduce repair costs. Unfortunately, many drivers ignore this until something goes wrong. I personally believe that if everyone learned a little bit about how their physical work, roads would be safer and physical would last longer. It's not about being an expert, it's about being responsible. So overall, I believe the automotive world is going through an amazing transformation. People will always love physical, but our focus will slowly shift from power and design to technology, safety, and sustainability. As someone who's passionate about mechanics. I find that really inspiring, and I am excited to see where it leads in the future.